Hello children, how are you? I hope you all are doing well. So बच्चों, my name is Bhagyashri. Okay, and today, okay, we are going to talk about social science. Okay, so what is social science? क्या आपको पता है social science में क्या क्या आता है? Social science में आती है information, जिसमें आती है information about you, information about things in general, information about science हो गया, transport हो गया, we're going to talk about history, we are going to talk about geography. So we are going to talk about everything in detail. Okay, so in this book we are going to talk about, say, the world, we are going to talk about the time, the travel, we are going to talk about yourself. Okay, so are you ready to take this journey with me, जहाँ पे हमें in depth knowledge मिलने वाला है about all these different concepts, and I'm sure when you come across these things in reality you are going to relate it in a much better manner, and it's going to be easy for you to understand कि हमारे आस पास ये सारी चीजें होती कैसे है और क्यों होती है. राइट, फॉर एग्जाम्पल आपके आसपास घर है, सो व्हाई डू वी नीड अ हाउस. सो ये सारी जनरल टॉपिक्स है जिसके बारे में आज हम बात करने वाले. ऑलराइट, सो लेट्स टेक दिस जर्नी. लेट्स बिगिन.
चैप्टर 12, डायरेक्शंस. सो चिल्ड्रन, आपने देखा होगा कि सन जो है वो डेली बाहर आता है. ओके, सो फ्रॉम वेयर डज इट कम? इट कम्स फ्रॉम अ डायरेक्शन. विच डायरेक्शन इज इट? इट्स द ईस्ट. ओके, so the sun rises in the east direction. So accordingly, okay, we know that the opposite direction, which is the west, that is from where the sun is going to set. Okay, so we are going to talk about the directions. Directions हम लोग को कहीं पे पहुंचने में भी काफ़ी हेल्प करते हैं. Okay, so that let's talk about directions in this chapter and understand why do we need them and how do we know which direction it is. Okay, so let's find out directions. Why do we learn about directions and what are the different names of directions, okay, in the chapter. So let's talk about directions. When we go from one place to another, we need to know which way to go. Words such as left, right, front and behind help us know how to get to a place. The path that we take when moving from one place to another is called a direction. Directions also point towards a place where a thing lies. So जब हमें एक जगह से दूसरी जगह जाना होता है, okay, तब हमें ये जानना बहुत ज़रूरी होता है कि कौन सी दिशा में जाना है. ओके, सो जो वर्ड्स होते हैं जैसे लेफ्ट हो गया, राइट हो गया, फ्रंट हो गया या बिहाइंड हो गया, दीज आर द टर्म्स दैट वी जनरली यूज़ व्हेन वी आर वॉकिंग. तो अगर हमारे घर पे कोई आ रहा है तो हम उसको बोलते हैं कि अच्छा तू अगर वो उस वहाँ पे पहुँचेगा ना नियर दैट स्कूल, देन टेक अ राइट. ओके, देन यू टेक अ लेफ्ट. ओके, एंड देन यू विल सी दैट जस्ट बिहाइंड दैट बैंक ओवर देयर इज अनदर बिल्डिंग. सो वी आर यूजिंग these terms. Okay, now these terms help that person to understand the direction that that person has to follow in order to reach your place. Okay, so the path that we take when we move from one place to another, उस path को कहते हैं direction. Okay, या हिंदी में हम उसको कहते हैं दिशा. Okay, so directions also point towards a place where a thing lies. Okay, तो direction में हम बोलते हैं ना कि अरे वो book दे दे जो तुम्हारे पीछे है, you know, the book that is kept behind you, give that book. So you know, these are the different ways by which we indicate a thing or point at a thing which is kept in a particular direction. So why do we learn about directions? Directions are very important for drivers of vehicles and for people to get to a new place. We go to school, we go shopping, we go to the park. We must learn the directions to all these places so that we do not get lost. So directions बहुत important होती है, especially for those people who are driving or who are going from one place to another, या फिर ऑफिस जा रहे या स्कूल जा रहे या शॉपिंग के लिए जा रहे या पार्क में जा रहे. तो in order to reach the right place, okay, And also, not to get lost, we need to understand the directions properly. Okay, नहीं तो हम खो जाएंगे और हम वापसी पहुंच ही नहीं पाएंगे. Okay, so that is the reason why directions are very important and we learn about them. So now let's name the directions. We use different words for the 4 directions to find a place. So इस directions को 4 directions होते हैं. Okay, तो in order to find a place, in 4 directions को नाम दिए गए. Okay, they are east, west, north and south. Okay, so the sun, it rises in the east and it sets in the west. When we are facing the rising sun, okay, अगर हम ऐसे खड़े हैं और sun हमारे सामने से it is rising, okay, that means we are facing the east direction. अब आप अपने arms को spread out करो, okay, so आपका जो left hand है it will point towards the north direction, okay, और आपका right hand जो है it will point towards the साउथ डायरेक्शन. ओके, सो आपके पीछे वाला डायरेक्शन जो है वो क्या बन जाएगा, वो बन जाएगा वेस्ट डायरेक्शन जहाँ पे द सन सेट्स. ओके, सो द ईस्ट इज डायरेक्टली ऑपोजिट टू द वेस्ट एंड द नॉर्थ इज ऑपोजिट टू द साउथ. ओके, दैट इज हाउ योर डायरेक्शंस आर. सो अगर आपको जानना है कि आप कौन सी दिशा में खड़े हो, ओके, सो इफ यू आर स्टैंडिंग ऑन facing the sun, that means you are in the east direction. If you are standing facing the setting sun, okay, sunset हो रहा है और आप sunset को देख रहे हो, okay, तो that means you are standing in the west direction. आपके पीछे हो जाएगा east, okay, and then you will have your north and south direction. Okay, so north will be your right left hand and south will be your right hand. Clear? So this is how the directions are understood by people. Okay, apart from that also there are other directions. So let's talk about them now. So ये जो directions हम बात करें, they fall in between the directions. Okay, जैसे a direction which falls in between north and west. Okay, इन दो मेन डायरेक्शंस के बीच में जो डायरेक्शन आता है वो बन जाता है आपका नॉर्थ वेस्ट डायरेक्शन. नॉर्थ और ईस्ट के बीच में जो आता है वो बन जाता है आपका नॉर्थ ईस्ट. वेस्ट और साउथ, ओके, या साउथ और वेस्ट के बीच में जो आता है वो बन जाता है साउथ वेस्ट. और साउथ और ईस्ट के बीच में जो आता है वो बन जाता है साउथ ईस्ट. ओके, सो दीज आर दी अदर डायरेक्शंस एज वेल. ऑलराइट, so good to know. In olden days, sailors used to find their way at sea using the North Star which guided them. Later they started to use an instrument called a compass to find directions. Okay, so पुराने दिनों में जो sailors थे जो अपने ships को लेके जाते थे, okay, and they used to, in order to find the direction, वो North Star जो होता था ना उसको follow करते थे. Okay, but after that, you know, they started using a instrument. That instrument is known as compass. Now compass helps you to find the direction. So now check yourself, give one word answer. So आपको ये खुद ही analyze करके बताना है. If you are facing the setting sun, this direction is on your left. Okay, अगर आप setting sun को face कर रहे हो, okay, तो आपके left में कौन सा direction आएगा? This I have already told you. The direction which is opposite to the east is what you have to tell us. Okay, if you are facing the rising sun, this direction is on your left. अगर आप rising sun को face कर रहे हो तो आपके left में कौन सा direction आएगा? Okay, that is what you have to tell us. Now, the path that we take when moving from one place to another is called a direction. The sun rises in the east, we all know this. Alright, so likewise, you have to answer the ones that we've not done. So, what are the learnings of this chapter? Now I know the 4 main directions from the position of the sun are north, south, east and west. sun, it is very useful in finding the directions. Okay, a day is divided into morning, noon, evening and night. There are 365 days in a year, 12 months in a year, okay, 7 days in a week. So basically sun helps us to find the directions, okay, because we know that we follow the rising sun and the setting sun, okay, and even then we automatically know the directions which are on the left and right of us, okay. So likewise we've learned about different directions. So I hope now you can easily find out which direction you are in, okay. Quickly read the chapter because you need to do the exercises in the practice zone. Oral questions. What do you understand by directions and in which direction does the sun set? तो आपको directions मतलब क्या, okay, वो बताना है and आपको बताना है कि sun कौन से direction में set होता है. Okay, we all know the sun sets in the west, okay, but you have to explain how do directions help you. Clear? B. Tick the correct option. Directions are important for drivers of vehicles, India or school, drivers of vehicles, okay. Second, the north lies directly opposite to the east, west or south, to south, okay. Likewise do the rest of them. C. Fill in the blanks. There are dash main direction. How many main directions are there? 4. Alright. So likewise do the rest of them. Write T for true and F for false statement. The words left, right, front and behind help us to get to a place. True. Okay, likewise do the rest of them. Answer the following questions. What is direction? So you have to tell us what do you mean by the term direction. Okay, how many directions are there, which are the main directions. These सारे questions we've already studied in the chapter. You need to write the answers of them. Alright. So children, quickly revise the chapter so that it will help you to answer these questions immediately. Critical thinking, you have to name the instrument that shows us the direction of the flow of wind and where can you see the instrument being used. तो आपको wind का speed समझने के लिए एक they use an instrument. So you have to find out what instrument it's that, okay. और आप ये instrument कहाँ पे देखते हो, okay. So for example, ये it looks like a fan, okay. It is really tall. So I am giving you a hint. Yes, it can be a windmill. Okay, और आपने अगर विंड मिल्स देखे तो कहाँ देखे, you have to tell about it. Alright. Experiential learning. Find a map of your city that shows the direction at the top. Find out where you stay in your city and trace the map on a tracing paper. Okay. So आपको map लेना है आपके city का, एक tracing paper लेना है, आपके वो map को trace करना है and at the same time you have to tell us also कि आपकी city कहाँ पे है. Okay. Life skills and value. Find out from your parents how you can reach the toy shop that is nearest to your house and draw in the given space. So आपको आपके parents आपको पूछना है कि आपके घर के पास कौन सा toy shop है और आप वहाँ पे कैसे पहुँच सकते हो. Okay, and you have to draw in that given space. Clear? Okay. So now quickly do all these activities also and don't forget to do the exercises. Alright children?
So children, I am sure कि आपने अब तक जितने भी concepts मेरे साथ पढ़े हैं, those concepts are pretty clear now and you're going to start relating to them in reality also. तो ताकि आपको पता चलेगा कि how much you followed through whatever we have learned. So बच्चों, for that, what else do you need to do? Yes, absolutely true. You need to reread the chapter, revise whatever we have done properly. Okay. Do not forget कि आपको सारे exercises complete करने हैं. If there is any project involved, any activity involved, वो भी करनी है. And you also have to share the knowledge about what you've learned with your friends, with your family and everyone around you. Alright, so until we meet again, thank you children. Bye-bye. you.